having a PD that you can get hands-on, it's information that you can actually, it's tangible and you can take it with you. That's the biggest takeaway from this is, you know, being able to get my hands on a 3D printer and being able to take that same object that I used and take it with me. This solves a lot of the technicalities for you. The new program, using the Bamboo Lab, all those little technical details are already figured out for you. You got to decide what do you want and how do you want it to look and what's the application. Specifically this PD, the most that I got out of it was changing the way that I think about the learning process, as opposed to, you know, what is the thing that you want, learning about how do you want to get to that thing.
It gave me confidence. So now I can go in, and when the kids have questions, I can actually answer or tell them exactly where to go. So now I feel like I can answer the basic questions, and which means I can better educate them on 3D printing.
Going to a PD that's actually applicable for an elective class, it's just above and beyond what you could expect from normal PD sessions that you're offered.